Okay, so hopefully you're mastering the art of spinning. Spinning a plate is quite a tricky challenge. It's all about practice. While you're learning practice, have a go at some of these tricks. This trick is called the jump. Now, with any trick, the important thing is to get your plate to spin as fast as you can. Whichever method you use to accelerate your plate, the spin must be vast. It must be a massive spin. Here we go for trick the jump. Holding the stick at arm's distance in front of you, holding it away from your face, keeping your stick nice and straight. What we're going for is a nice little jump of the plate. Did you see that? As the plate hits the stick, bring the stick down just to cushion the jump a little bit. In between spins, what you've got to do is you've got to speed it up. Okay, so here we go, one more, the jump.